Can we save private Telegram video in phone gallery? In today's video, we're going to be figuring out whether we can save private Telegram videos directly to our phone's gallery or not. If you've received a video on Telegram that you want to keep, but it's private or set to self-destruct, don't worry, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First things first, open your Telegram app and make sure you're logged in to your account. Now simply go to the chat containing the private video. Just once you open the video, press and hold the video immediately, and you can find various options. Simply tap on save video. As you can see here, an option called save image. Simply it will show you save video if it's a video. Simply tap on it and the video will be saved to your gallery automatically. Next, you can also set your Telegram to automatically save videos to your gallery to make this process smoother for future videos. Go to the settings tab and simply go to data and storage. From here, you can see automatic media download. Tap on using Wi-Fi and go to videos and simply toggle that option on. Now, this ensures that videos are automatically saved to your phone. And that's it. That's how you can simply save private Telegram videos directly to your phone gallery on both Android and iOS.